Hey friends, Natalie here for a cherry on top. I have my cuppa this morning and it's time to look into the winter cherry box. And I'm super excited to share this one with you. It's so good. So you get a whole box of goodies, a 12 by 12 box, and it's $50 and there's at least a $100 value inside. So it's a really amazing deal and it's so much stuff. It will keep you busy. And so let's see what's in this one. Let us see. Always so fun. I do need my coffee this morning, guys. This one just arrived on my doorstep last night as we were running out the door, and I was like, oh, I want to open it right now. And then I thought, well, I will have something to look forward to tomorrow. So also this red paper, how good will that be to just use backing some photos, or who knows what I could get. Ooh, like ruched it up with like some sewing and make some ruffles for a page or for a project. I'm definitely going to save that. And this is why my craft room looks like it does. Let's look at this first. This looks super fun. We have Nuvo dual dot markers in metallic colors. Okay, so we have like a brassy gold and like a champagne gold and a silver. Add a little luster to all of your craft projects. Oh, I'm super excited about this. That's fun. So you have like a fat tip and then you have a skinny tip. So you could use it for your journaling and everything. You could just use it to highlight or go around items. That'll be fun. We have some Foil Fusion Chrome Silver Luxury Craft Foil. This is from Tonic Studio, so it's like Ranger, I think. Interesting. Use alongside Foil Fusion adhesive sheets to add stunning foil detail to your craft projects without the need for hot foil plates or die cutting machines. So this is really fun. If you don't have a hot foil machine or whatever other way that you can, there's different ways to use it with a laminator. You just need adhesive with this. So that's fun. And I have a feeling there's going to be things to use it with in here. We have some Nuvo expanding mousse, which is super fun. Ooh, look at that beautiful color. So I do have a sneak of this, but it is the winter box more than like the Christmas box. So even if you are not someone that celebrates Christmas, or well, if you're in Australia and it's summer, I'm sorry, you can save it for winter. But I think it's definitely going to have some more wintry vibes, which is obviously with this, which there's no, you don't have to say like, there's traditional winter colors, but this is not a traditional Christmas color, but definitely winter, like snow, and that's super beautiful. Ooh, I've been wanting to try this. Catherine Puller Platinum Pigment Ink. I love Catherine Puller ink, and she just came out with this line maybe like last year. Or within this past year. And she has like all the metallic colors, so that's super fun. These are fun. Decorative metal accents with raised shapes. So these are Tim Holtz shaped seals. So they're like wax seals, but they're just like metal bits. So you can use them for a craft project or something. And there's 4 of those. Those are fun. And they have like a not metal. What's the word? I'm like silver. They're like silver, not brass, you know. Oh my gosh, there's so much cute stuff in here. Oh my goodness. We're just going to set that back in the bag so that we know where it is and it doesn't get lost. Let's put it all back in the bag. Or you can get into the other bag. All right. So I got into the other bag and we're going to start with the paper pack because I'm super excited about this. So you remember that beautiful blue mousse that we had? Well, it goes so well with this. Winter's Veil. This is from Tonic as well. So I don't think I've ever used Tonic paper. So I'm excited about this. I don't know if this is new. I'm pumped about this. Let's see. Visit the craft room. This is 18 sheets of cardstock, 2 each of 9 designs, with some tags and stamps. 4 use with our tags and stamps die set. Oh, interesting. Okay, so this is super beautiful just from the front. But like, I love when they use their packaging like on the other side. So you can totally cut these out. And I guess they have a die set, but you could also just, you know, fussy cut them as well. If they do have a die set in the store, I'll link it down below. Of course, there's going to be a link down below to the cherry box. I love these colors. So you have this like, you have a little bit of a baby blue, you have a brighter blue, and then you have like a turquoise blue all mixed together. Love, love, love. We have a lovely snowflake with gray and a baby blue, nice border. I love this so much. Did you guys see the Northern Lights this year? Like we did, and I still have to scrap it. It's on my list. I made a list the other day of things I want to scrapbook. Stars are cute. Oh, that's really cute. Little strips of snowy scene. More cute snowflakes. Some wood grain. I love that. With like a bluish tone. Gray blue. Some holly and leaves. Winter wishes is what this one says. And some trees. Leaves. Ooh, those are pretty. Like poinsettias, but blue. A lovely blue stripe. Love. Reindeer. And some plaid. You pretty much got like all of your basic, amazing paper patterns in it. Lots of blue snowflakes. I'm loving it. I like that one's the best, I think. And then everything else is just a duplicate. So that's super beautiful, and I'm excited to use that. So you can totally see, not necessarily Christmas, any outdoor winter things that you have all through the season. Locally, we have a thing called ice where you go in and it's like all the ice sculptures. This would be so good for that. And then you can make it Christmas by like adding in a few things. So this, it doesn't even have blue on it, but it goes. It's it coordinates really well. So they did a really beautiful job coordinating this box. And so it is Christmas. This is simple vintage, 'tis the season. So you have the same vintage vibe, and you're throwing in your reds and your greens. And so when you combine those with these blues, that's going to look really nice because it has this like different color green on the leaves and things like that. So it'll coordinate really nicely with these grays and these blues in this paper pack. I'm excited to use this. And this is gorgeous. Lovely little car. Some ice skates. I love this border. Some that poinsettia that we saw in the other paper. I'm loving this. So let's see what else we have. So remember when we had the foil, we had the silver foil. I'm glad we went with silver. So this is adhesive sheets by the same company, Tonic. And these are the foil fusion sheets. Let's open them and look real quick. This is 4 A5 sheets. So it gives you instructions on how to use it, kind of like a rub-on, it looks like. So you cut out the shape that you want. It's sticky. You take the backing off, you put the foil on, you rub it on, and then you have a lovely foiled image, and you can put it wherever you want. And so they have like different things here. I'm excited about using this. That'll be fun. Firmly rub. Alternatively, if you own a cutting machine, you can pass your card and foil through the machine. Okay, so you could put it through your Big Shot or something, and then you don't have to like rub it. And then you can use it with dies if you have some snowflake dies that fit, or circle dies, or you can fussy cut. That's super fun. I love that. And then it comes with a cute little stamp set. Again, this is very wintry. So it's a bunch of cute little animals, a very festive fair. This is Tonic as well. And otters, I think. Deer, fox, birds, squirrel, a polar bear, a porcupine. And I love this. Like, you can put a little sign in front of them and it's like they're holding it. That is so stinking cute. I can't wait to play with those. And they're little bitty. So you could totally use those for card making or even tags. They're super small. So you could put them on like Christmas tags or something. Ooh, this is fun. I don't have an embossing folder that looks like this shape, but this is Sizzix embossing folder, but it is a very skinny one. Oh, yes, I love a good die that matches. So it's like a border. Oh, it's like that's cool. I don't have that. It's the border, the die is in the embossing folder. So it's just one fell swoop. So you get it all embossed and you get it cut out at the same time. So it's like a really lovely, sorry, it's hard to tell in the light, but that's a floral border. It is, what is it called? Does it have a name? Trellis. It's called Trellis. Just a really nice, oh, there you go. can see that. Like a nice floral, very versatile. It'll look lovely with this collection, but I could see myself using that a lot. That's fun, where it's all together in the same thing. You get a stencil. So this is, I don't know this company, Ciao Bella. Oh yeah, I do. Guys, this looks a lot like leopard print. You know me, I love me some leopard print. This is a really good, nice size. That'll be really fun to use that mousse through, that blue mousse. And get a nice texture in the background. And then lastly, we'll look through these really quick. I don't want this to be too long, but you also get 2 ephemera packs. Well, this one is actually not ephemera. This one is frames. So this is Simple Stories. Simple Vintage 'Tis the Season. So it's the same as the sticker sheet, the 12 by 12 sticker sheet, and they're beautiful, really big frames. So the focal point of like your page, or these are chipboard, so you can definitely do some home decor. That would be really lovely to do like a piece that, you know, you could display all year round. Not all, well, maybe all year round, but like, I mean, every year is what I meant. Yearly sale. See, I need more of that coffee. Oh, I love this one. And this too. So, I mean, they are definitely lightweight enough to use on a scrapbook page, but you definitely could put some heft with them and put them on like a canvas or something and use as a decor for the house. We'll see what I make with those. That's kind of giving me some ideas right now. And then lastly, we have Simple Vintage 'Tis the Season, the same collection. And so again, this is going to coordinate so well with that beautiful paper, the blues. And we went somewhere the other day and I had one of these in my drink. I think it's Star of Anise. Is that what it's called? Anyway, it tastes like licorice. I don't love it, but it looks super cute and like your hot chocolate or whatever. Pine cone, love that. And it got a lot of cute florals mixed with like very natural items, which I love. You know, it matches the sticker sheet, of course, but like, do you see how it has like a blue tint or a gray tint? So it's gonna coordinate really beautifully with those papers. I love how thoughtfully they coordinated this set, and it's from different companies, but you can see that everything is going to mix and match well, which is some of my favorite things to do. I love to mix and match amongst different companies and different collections to get my own thing going. So it's unique and no one's ever going to be able to make something like you. So I love it. Just a ton of beautiful white florals. We got poinsettias. We have holly. We have different evergreens and things like that. A lot of different beautiful pieces for layering, and I'm super excited to use these. And then you have a few pieces that are bigger, and then of course you could totally use those with your frames and then build them up and use your foam and stick things up. Oh, I'm so excited. This is such a good box. Like I said, it is $50. If you are not already subscribed, you can subscribe. If you don't subscribe, there may be some at the end left over, but the $50 includes domestic shipping, and it is at least a $100 value. You get all that stuff for $50, including shipping if you live in the US. So I think that is an amazing deal. I'm going to link it down below, and they will start shipping out in December. So I hope you guys enjoy them. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll answer those down below, and I will see about little add-ons like additional dies or something like that if they have them in the store that coordinate. Okay, thanks guys for watching. Bye y'all.